Hey, what's up guys? Back at it with another vlog. Just started. I'm gonna try to upgrade this bike. First, we're gonna spray paint the pegs. I know that for a fact. Then I'm gonna upgrade the handlebars and spray paint the other handlebars right here. All completely black. There's already black, but make it even more black. And then I'm going to spray paint this right here. I'm gonna redo this right here, and then should be done with it. By the time I upload another video, it's gonna be done. So please subscribe and leave a like or a comment and stuff like that. I'll include my Snapchat if I can. It's Garrett.Kiesling. Garrett Kiesling, actually. Alright, see ya.